Hello students, welcome to Carefree Education. Students, in this video we are going to do the question and answer of chapter Sporting the Tricolor. Okay, class 5th. Let's begin with first question. What was Janki Das' dream after his success at national level? Janki Das' dreams after making a mark at the national level was to prove his worth at international contest too. How did Janki Das show his respect for Gandhiji while greeting him? Janki Das showed his respect for Gandhiji by touching his feet with reverence. What did Gandhiji tell Janki Das he must not do? Gandhiji told Janki Das not to participate in the sports meet under the auspices of any other flag than their own. What caused a thin veil of tears to appear in Janki Das' eyes? Gandhiji had asked Janki Das not to participate in the sports meet under the it's repeated. Okay. So what caused a thin veil of tears to appear in Janki Das' eyes? Gandhiji had asked Janki Das not to participate in the sports meet under the auspices of any flag other than his country's flag, but India had no flag of her own. If he participated, he would have to participate in the British contingent under the British flag. The thought that Gandhiji wanted him to forego taking part in the Zurich championship brought a thin veil of tears in Janki Das' eyes. What was the strange scene witnessed by the crowd at the stadium at the Zurich? The strange scene was that when the Janki Das won the championship, he followed Gandhiji's instruction. He cut off the string of the Union Jack and it came down. In its place, the tricolor was hoisted and it fluttered in the air. Okay, 5 questions are done. Coming to reference to contest, question number 1, A part. How did Janki Das put in hard work to achieve success in cycling? He practiced cycling for hours on end. At a stretch, he had only one goal in life, and that was to carve a niche of himself as one of the best cyclists of the world. Why was Janki Das alarmed at the pause after Gandhiji's but? Janki Das was alarmed because he thought that Mahatma Gandhi was going to ask him not to participate in the world championship that was to be held in Zurich. Which thought made Janki Das wince? The thought that Mahatma Gandhi expected him to keep away from the Zurich championship made him wince. Question 2, part A. What was Janki Das expected to do if he wanted to live for 1,000 years? To live for 1,000 years, Janki Das was expected to host the tricolor and be prepared to die for his country. What did Gandhiji mean when he promised Janki Das a lifetime of 1,000 years? Gandhiji meant that if Janki Das followed his advice and hosted the tricolor at the championship, he would live on the hearts of the Indians and of others for thousands of years as a brave and patriotic man. What made Gandhiji say to Janki Das, "So I have won you to my cause"? Janki Das pressed Gandhiji's hand, indicating his willingness to host his country's flag at the championship. By doing this, he was fighting for Gandhiji's cause, that of fighting for India's independence. This made Gandhiji say that he had won Janki Das to his cause. Think and answer. What was the action taken by Janki Das and Zurich a historic step? Hosting the Indian flag. Hosting the Indian tricolor was a historic step because at that time India was under British rule. The Union Jack was accepted flag of the country. But Janki Das brought the Union Jack down and hosted the tricolor in front of everyone at the World Championship in Zurich, emphasizing on India's freedom struggle and its will to become independent of the British rule. Here were the question answers of the chapter Sporting the Tricolor. If you have any doubt, please do write in the comment section.